Question number 1. Which organelle is responsible for protein synthesis? The correct option is option B, ribosome. Question number 2. What is the powerhouse of the cell? The correct option is option B, mitochondria. Question number 3. Which of the following is not a function of the liver? The correct option is option D, red blood cell production. Question number 4. Which of the following is not a carbohydrate? The correct option is option D, hemoglobin. Question number 5. What is the basic structural unit of DNA? The correct option is option A, nucleotide. Question number 6. What process involves the conversion of light energy into chemical energy in plant? The correct option is option A, photosynthesis. Question number 7. Which of the following is a primary function of the respiratory system? The correct option is option A, transporting oxygen. Question number 8. Which blood vessel carry blood away from the heart? The correct option is option A, arteries. Question number 9. What is the process by which plants lose water vapor through their leaves? The correct option is option A, transpiration. Question number 10. Which of the following is a characteristic of eukaryotic cell? The correct option is option C, having DNA and a nucleus. Question number 11. Which of the following is not a function of the skeletal system? The correct option is option D, hormone regulation. Question number 12. Which of the following is responsible for transmitting nerve impulse? The correct option is option A, axon. Question number 13. Which of the following is a function of the endocrine system? The correct option is option B, production of hormone. Question number 14. What is the largest organ in the human body? The correct option is option B, skin. Question number 15. Which of the following is not a type of muscle tissue? The correct option is option C, nerves. Question number 16. What is the process by which cell divides and to create new cell? The correct option is option A, mitosis. Question number 17. Which of the following is responsible for producing insulin? The correct option is option A, pancreas. Question number 18. Which of the following is a function of the lymphatic system? The correct option is option B, fighting infection. Question number 19. What is the function of white blood cell? The correct option is option B, fighting infection. Question number 20. Which of the following is not a component of the central nervous system? The correct option is option C, nerves.